Hey there, so I wanted to show you the process of making one of these easy cards. I just cut my paper to the center to fit so that there's a white border on the regular. I think these are those A7 cards, I believe. I'm not really sure what size they are, but they're basic. I get them in a pack of 50 from Joann's or Michael's. These are one of the cutouts that was in the paper kit that I had. And I am also going to add this really cute little cake. So that's a sticker. Everything here is from the same exact kit. And then I have these really cute little scraps. And I use these scraps a lot. So I will cut them down. These are usually when I'm cutting my paper. And I just sit here and cut out these really cute little banner type things. I'll add it here. And again, I'm just using scraps to make these cards. You can do them as elaborate as you like. You could use dies. A lot of times I don't really have the time for that, or I guess the effort is what I should say. I always have the time. I'm just adding a little bit of ink because I like to add ink to everything. I don't know, kind of makes it go from plain Jane to cool and spectacular. At least that's my thought or my opinion. Anyways, and then normally I would use my ATG gun, but for now, because this is such a small little space on this little tag, I'm just going to use some glue stick, and I'm adding those on there. Then I'll take that little card that I just had, and wouldn't you know it, I misplaced it. Oh, here it is. And add this right here. And for this, because I like it to have a little bit of a dimension, I'll turn it around and I'll use the sticky foam and just put it in whatever area you need. And again, like I said, it's very, very easy. And this is all using all the extra little bits that I had in the paper kit. I believe it was like the birthday girl wishes from Photo Play. But look how sweet. And then with this, here's an extra little bit. I will ink the edges as I did before. And then I'll add a piece of the pop-up tape. And I buy this by the big old roll. I think if you're a scrapbooker or you just like to make cards or whatever, I think it's always good to buy a lot so you don't have to keep refilling, because it can get expensive that way. I think this was like $28 or maybe it was $40. I'm not sure, but it was from the Staples. So see? Cute, right? And then, because I wanted to show you, this is the paper from the kit, but this right here is one of the 4x6 cards that comes with the whole paper kit, and all I did was add this extra bit. There is also this. This is an actual 4x6 card. Again, all I did was add scraps of this little banner that I had, a sticker. This little sticker, another little bit of the little scrap paper that I made into a banner. And then again, here's another one, another 4x6 card. Added this leftover sticker, and this one right here with some of the pop dot stuff. And again, same thing. Oh, actually, this one's a piece of paper cut out. This was one of the 3x5 cards that came with the kit, and then I just added this little tag that came with the kit and these cute little stickers. But I mean, it's so basic, but it's so user-friendly, and people love this stuff. I mean, it's homemade, even though, you know, it's not a lot of stamping or anything. This, again, 4x6 card, left no paper in the back, so it's a blank card. Added this little Celebrate on pop dots, and then this was a sticker, border sticker that came with the kit. And, I mean, look how many you can make. This is all with all the leftovers, and I gotta tell you, I still have more. So another 3x5 card. I did cut out the background from paper that came with the kit, and this little cutout that came with it, and then another one of the cupcakes. And this is just a strip of a different paper to add to that, to add to the color. But it's really easy, super sweet, it's super simple, and it's a homemade card. Can't beat that. So don't forget to use up all your scraps when you have those chances. And there's always leftovers. And again, homemade is always best. Have a great day.